Well, the sky is finally open, the rain and wind stop blowing, but you're stuck out in the same old storm again. You hold tight to your umbrella, but darling, I'm just trying to tell ya that there's always been a rainbow hanging over your head.
After installing the installer to the USB flash drive, you can now install any applications you want. Here's the steps. First, find the control panel. Second, find the program and the functions, then double tap it. Third, you must find the application that haven't been downloaded in your computer. And now we will start installing it. And now I have decided to install first the Adobe Reader. Double tap it, then press yes. And now it is preparing for installation. Preparing to install. Then press next. And now press install. And now it is installing the Adobe Reader. And now we must check if it is installed. So as you can see, it is installed at the windows of your computer. To install another application, use the same procedures. And now I will start uninstalling the applications that I have just installed in this computer. First, find again the control panel. And now double tap the program and functions. When uninstalling the applications you want, just right click the mouse then uninstall it. Press yes. Press yes again. And now, as you can see, you can no longer see the Adobe Reader in the windows. Just use same procedures to uninstall the other applications.